BJP workers take to the streets in Gwalior to protest against the inauguration of a 1,000-bed capacity hospital in Gwalior, as they claim that the hospital was already unveiled in the year 2009 and the Congress is now taking credit for it. Police, however, had to resort to tear gas and water cannons to disperse the protesters. Govind Gurjar joining us live on this. Govind, we are looking at those pictures. There seems to be violent protests and there had to be police action to control the crowds. Give us the ground situation first and also explain to us what provoked this entire situation.
In fact, the controversy on the inauguration issue is continued. Initially, it was in Amethi, where inauguration of an ordnance factory was done by Modi government, which was protested by Rahul Gandhi. But now, this is the issue of a hospital consisting 100 beds hospital, which was already inaugurated in the government of BJP. This is being claimed by the ex-PM, ex-MP of BJP, Anup Mishra, and he is protesting all this issue with his thousands of protesters in Gwalior, and he is claiming that this hospital has already been inaugurated. Its foundation stone has already been laid down in 2009. Now it's all planned to lay its foundation stone today, even in the leadership of Jyotiraditya Scindia. It's all planned in evening. This hospital's foundation stone will be laid by Jyotiraditya Scindia. But before that, BJP workers are protesting, and the clash was also there between police and the BJP worker, and police has to use the water cannon and tear gas on the protesters, and more than 100 protesters have been arrested. This is being reported as of now. So this has been a kind of controversy on the issue of the inauguration or the foundation
So this is what we see. You know, this is the issue of a direct fallout of an election year, perhaps, because Govind, what you're telling us here is that two parties, two big political parties, the Congress and the BJP, are now vying with each other to take credit for this hospital. Is this entire violence about getting credit on who started the hospital and who implemented it?
Exactly, it's all the fight for taking the political credit, and elections are in the country, even in MP. That's why both parties are just trying to take the credit of all this inauguration of this hospital is consisting 100-bed hospital, which is all planned to be inaugurated by Jyotiraditya Scindia today evening. But before that, BJP and Congress both are trying to get the credit of it. What is the figures and facts in this controversy, that is still to be investigated. But police has arrested around hundreds of protesters now, and the protest is still continue. Even Anup Mishra, who is ex-MP from Morena, has also paid his arrestment to the police just before. So this is now the controversy going higher and higher, but still the controversy is continue.
Right. Let's listen into one of the doctors who is working in this hospital. Let's get in that viewpoint.
अभी स्थिति कंट्रोल में है और अभी गिरफ्तारियां दे रहे हैं भाजपा के लोग, और उसके बाद पूरी तरह से स्थिति नॉर्मल हो जाएगी। हाँ, कार्यक्रम जो प्रस्तावित है वो अपने समय अनुसार होगा, और जो लोग गिरफ्तारी दे रहे हैं उनकी गिरफ्तारी दी जा रही है। स्थिति कंट्रोल में।
Well, so clearly there's violence out there outside this hospital in Gwalior. Tear smoke bomb had to be used, water cannon had to be used on protesters. This is all about the issue of inauguration of this hospital. Now, BJP believes that this hospital was already inaugurated in the year 2009, and this is an unnecessary attempt by the newly formed Congress government to take credit for it. And therefore, angry BJP protesters clashed with the police. They objected and obstructed the inauguration of this hospital.